Yeah man, peace and light man. One more try man. Knowledgeable true virgin upon the motivational train, herbalist and motivational speaker. Today I'm here to speak about this plant. See it here? You see how it look? Yeah man, in name Search Me Out. You have a rough texture. You understand? You have a little bit of fragrance, especially when you mature. See the right there, so I tell you so you feel like you have snake skin. Yeah man, come across now. So we have it here man in a what? Capsule form. The capsule I make from cellulose because them capsule are biodigestible, you understand, and organic. Come across now. So we have it in a true and authentic form. We no eat now go touch it to kill the enzymes inside. It go straight to bloodstream. So watch me now. 9 health benefits of Search Me Out. Search Me Out is a natural remedy for colds. Number 1. 2, it's a natural remedy for mucus. Yeah man, it's a real mucus remover. It also is a remedy for what? Asthma. Yeah man, the people with asthma, you know, man-made disease. It's also a treatment for malnutrition. Yeah man, you go out and you know eat food today with much nutrients in there. You just throw 2 of them in your mouth or 1, you understand? Number 5, it's great for stomach pain because most persons would feel pain in their stomach it cause from parasite that is burrowing in your stomach. Number 6, it prevents and treat high blood pressure. Yeah man, this one extend and remove fatty cells out of your lumen, that is called your veins and arteries, in a part that the blood pass through. Well, see, it's a natural, Search Me Out is a natural dewormer. Yeah man, remove fluke worm where they kill all our stomach and they piss in our stomach and they cause we liver for shit it out for our skin. That's why some of our skin have things called liver spot, shitting cloud, etc. It also fix heart condition. Nowadays, man, I would tell you how we know, but consult me for herbal consultation and me show you how Search Me Out can search your heart and find all the problems. And the final one, number 9, Search Me Out is great for menstrual cramps in women. Yo, listen, man, check out my online store on Etsy. It's called KTV Herbal Remedies, or go in a link in the bio of my TikTok page right here. So yes I, or you just send me a message and we get it to you. Yeah man, up and gunning. We have it locally also. We deliver it through Knoxford Express in Jamaica, 14 parishes. Peace and light. Search Me Out. See it here, we stop boil herbs. We are eat herbs, you know, and boil herbs and kill no enzymes around here that is naturally created to help us in digestion. We're not taking anything away from our herbs. Yo, watch me now man. Big up.